Cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels, my lovely students. How are you? Fine, must, very nice. And what about your syllabus? Have you completed your course? Very nice. Today I am in front of you to discuss model question paper of EVS. Okay, are you set? So, are you set, my dear students? Today we will be discussing model question paper of subject EVS. First of all, we will go with the instruction. Write in clean, neat and legible handwriting. That means आपको बहुत ही साफ सुथरा लिखना है. You don't have to use eraser again and again, and you will be writing in the paper itself. Write the following details, name and date in your paper. You have to write the name and date in your question paper itself. आपको पेपर के अंदर ही लिखना है, ठीक है. And last point, the photo and the PDF has to be submitted before 8 PM or by 8. Okay. On the day of the assessment itself, जिस दिन आपका एग्ज़ाम है बच्चों, उसी दिन ही आपको हमको भेजना है, जैसे कि आप पहले भी करते आए हैं, ठीक है. ओके, नाउ वी मूव टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर. फर्स्ट विल बी टिक द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द मॉडल पेपर. द इन क्वेश्चन पेपर वॉन्ट बी एग्जैक्टली लाइक सेम. ऐसा नहीं होगा. इट्स जस्ट अ मॉडल पेपर टू डिस्कस द पैटर्न विथ यू, द स्टाइल ऑफ द पेपर विथ यू, ठीक है. The main source of water on the earth is sea, ocean or rain. So this you will be doing. Next is water from the mountains comes down in the form of snow, rivers or rain. You have to tick only the correct option. सब ऑप्शन पे टिक नहीं लगाना है. You have to tick only on the correct option. Got it? Now the question number 2 will be fill in the blanks. From the given help box you have to fill in the blanks. See, okay. Boiling kills the dash present in water. You will be writing the answer in the blank. Next is we should always drink dash water. So you will be writing the answer in the given blank. Question number 3 will be for you. Write T for true and F for false statement. Leaves are mostly yellow in color. Whether it's true or false, you will be writing over here. Next is we see moon during daytime. Whether it's true or false, you will write over here. Got it? And now we move further on question number 4, that is match the following. Do matching. आपको देखना है, सही आंसर रीड करना है, think and after that you will be doing matching. Low flat land, low mountain, very high land, and in column B there is hills, mountains and plain. So you have to do the matching over here. Question number 5 will be answer the following. List any 4 uses of water. So you will be writing the answer in the given space. आपको space दिया गया है. There is sufficient space given in the paper itself and you will be writing neatly in this given lines. Okay. Next is what happens when we drink dirty water. तो इसका आंसर भी आपको इधर लिखना है. See, the space is provided to you. Now 6 is label the given diagram. You have to do only the labeling. जहाँ पर आपको arrow दिख रहा है, there you have to write the name. कि ये क्या है, इस place को इसको क्या बोलते हैं, what's this. So you have to just label the given diagram. Okay, can you see, my dear students? Yes. And next is you have to name the picture. See, you have to just name the given picture. Last question is identify me. I twinkle at night. Who am I? I rise in the east and set in the west. Who am I? So you have to identify and you have to write the name over here. Okay. Now ninth is circle the odd one out. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, 3 are given to you, 1 will be wrong, so you have to circle that. Wind, air and tree. Next is balloon, football and kite. Okay, so you have to just circle the odd one out. Got it, my dear students? So this was the model paper of EVS. My dear students, if you have any type of problem, you can call your Anjali ma'am. Okay, till then keep on doing the revision. All the best. God bless you, bachcha.